In the construction of modern architecture, mortar has been delivered to work sites via traditional ways using material haulers and tower cranes. These methods are known to be labor-intensive and costly. In this new era, a revolution is long overdue, whereby the current hauling methodology ought to be given a new life. Nilai Mayang Engineering Services Sendirian Berhad was incorporated in 1995 and specializes in construction machinery and materials. The accounts department handles customer needs professionally. Our planning team puts great emphasis on updated market research and an excellent customer support mechanism as we aspire to bring a solid commitment and innovation to the construction fraternity in Malaysia. Our strength lies in our extensive knowledge and experience in the construction industry, coupled by a strong company training scheme. We are a well-established and resilient organization that has withstood the test of time and crisis throughout the years. Introducing a new revolution in construction, the Mortar Pump Machine. The mortar pump machine consists of the following components. The mixer. The mixer mixes sand and cement in an anti-clockwise or clockwise motion, ensuring the finest mix of materials. Together with the square hopper and the vibrator, it ensures separation of unwanted materials from the mix. The main pump. The main pump pumps the processed mortar to designated work sites above ground. The speed of the mortar pump machine can be adjusted manually. Nilai Mayang's revolutionary mortar pump machine has a 25-story vertical haulage capacity. In comparison to older methods, the mortar is pumped up fast and effortlessly to any work site, significantly reducing problems in machinery maintenance and manpower issues. This reduces haulage time, lessens back-breaking work, as well as saves project time. At Nilai Mayang, we ensure that our clients' expectations are always met. Towards this end, our rented equipment is maintained by a group of dedicated professionals, thus ensuring that it stays clean and functional at all times. With a well-managed stock inventory, plus strict quality control, our customers can expect quality working equipment anytime, every time. For every pump machine set, we offer assembly services as well as complete functionality tests before delivery. Again, this is done by our trained professionals adhering to strict quality control measures. Furthermore, all parts are easily assembled and our components are of high-grade materials, thus enhancing the durability and safety of our machines under any condition. Introducing MH Mix, the new cement additive for mortar plastering. This is what happens in plastering without MH Mix. With the traditional method and without MH Mix, cracks will appear on the finished plaster. This is due to plaster shrinkages. On the contrary, in comparison, here's what happens when MH Mix is combined with the traditional method of mortar mixing. Shrinkage cracks will be significantly reduced. This phenomenon is attributed to the increased covalent bonding of the cement and the sand particles brought about by adding MH mix. Even utilizing our motor mixer, cracks will still appear without utilizing the MH mix. But with MH mix in our mixer, cracks will be significantly reduced. Using MH mix is easy. First, water is poured into the mixer. Then, MH mix is added. This is followed by adding cement. Lastly, sand is added. Finally, we have MH Mix Enhanced Motor. Compare the results. With MH Mix, you get a stronger bonding and reduced drying shrinkages, thus reducing cracks. MH Mix is a quality product that has been tested and used in a multitude of projects throughout the world. Its quality and results have been simply amazing. We also specialize in other construction materials such as PVC corner braid and PVC groove line. These are some of the projects that we have implemented through the years. The motor pump machine and MH Mix is the perfect combination for a new era in construction.
Nilai Mayang, way!
Nilai Mayang Engineering Services Sendirian Berhad, the trusted company and brand for the construction industry.